How to download your Facebook Messenger chat conversation. What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download your Facebook Messenger's chat conversations. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Facebook Messenger app. Now make sure that your app is up to date by going ahead and checking it on your Google Play Store or App Store. And once you make sure that your app is up to date, all you have to do is tap on the hamburger menu, and from here just tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, once your settings is open, just scroll down to the bottom until you see your account center. Just tap on it, it will open up your account center. Now, if you tap on profiles, it will show you all of your connected accounts on your account center. Now, from here, what you want to do is head over to your information and permissions. And here you will see an option to download your information. Just tap on it. And after you have done that, you can tap on download or transfer information. Then select your Facebook because your messenger is connected with it. Tap on next. And from here, all you have to do now is choose the available information or that includes all of it and choose the specific type of information. I'm going to choose the specific type of information, and from here you will just have to find the messages. So just scroll down until you see messages. Now once you choose your messages, you can tap on next, and from here you can download it to your device. So just tap on create files and your file will be ready for download in a few hours. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys next time.